Alrighty.
You gotta be at 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God, is it fast?
Watch out now, excitement, watch out now. Why? Watch out. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So we're going to Negril today. Say hi.
Hello.
That's my cousin. Say hi. Say hi. She's shy. Alright guys, so we're going to Negril today to do the excursions and all of that. So stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned.
Okay.
Sorry. Say hi, Maka.
Morning. Have a good day today, man.
Yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Hi!
Marsha,
Yes, auntie?
you must have charger?
Yeah.
You have charger?
Yeah, I think so. Hi everybody. How are you? Gonna have some fun today.
Yeah, we're off to the beach. Yeah, I'm all ready. I can't show you everything.
Yeah.
But I've got everything on, right?
Yes.
Kevin, running at the blog. See you in a bit.
Coming out like
See you in a
already.
bit. Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
School bell. Hey.
Hi, I'm Alfie. We're going to the beach today. We're going on an excursion, wedding excursion, okay?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Say hi, Ella. Hi.
Leave them man. Right. Uncle. He's never man right there, you know what I mean? Love man. Big Kevin every time Kevin there right down. You know, years I see that long time I see general, you see me? Years. See me I see that now? I told Big never man. Yeah, but I building, I see it.
Powerful link
mighty,
up.
powerful and mighty man. Big link up, you know?
Yeah.
Right there. Right there.
That is it.
That is it. Believe.
Hey. Wait. Hey. Whoa.
The palm foot no me a turn.
Hey. Whoa. Hey.
Ready, boss, ready. Come.
I'm controlling already. Girl, just wake up. Just wake up, girl. We go out last night.
Vlogging, I just woke up because we went out last night and
I'm a big niece, you know. I'm a big niece right there, man. We're a party to see it. One love, powerful and mighty, man. Right there.
but me not we don't know uncle man.
Chip chop.
I come after.
That is after. Not is wrong with that.
You say what I'm saying?
So where's that? You don't come on now.
No, because me have to wait for Bella.
So after.
Guess what? Me even know where Bella there.
Yeah, yeah,
Just wake up and say, what's up now?
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Morning, French. Upon a few finger. You see upon a finger.
Hey. Alright guys, so we're going to ATV now. So we're ready to do the ATV.
Right.
Yeah, ready.
That is it.
Ella and Quantrell. Come on. Ready? Yeah.
Do it already?
No.
No.
First time.
I'll be a rookie there. No, so she have to say something to her, to them, you know. Everybody.
Protect the crown, you know? That's the whole planet ahead. Georgia.
Or she have a big head.
Oh, see?
It's small.
That's like no bad. I gear that in no bad.
Too tight?
No, that good.
It's not. Alright, so good afternoon, people. How we doing today? We're good?
Yep.
Alright, so the name is Sheldon. You know me, I'm going to be your guide today. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the basics, how to get them started, get them moving. Then we're going to run the practice track, then to the main track. Alright, so we see how you can maneuver the practice track, so we know if you need assistance or not. Alright, so the trail, bumpy surface, rough. So it's wet, so it's gonna be slippery also. So always hold firm, always stay in at the middle of the track. Give each other some space, try not to bump into anybody. The track is uneven at some part, so you're gonna feel it tilt to either side. If that's the case, don't put your legs down trying to control it, just lean to the opposite side. So if you feel like it's tilting to the left, what you do? Tilt your body way to the right. Good. Alright. So for this one, fully automatic. Come throttle. So gas. Alright. Slow and steady push. For it. Don't jerk it like this. Just slow and steady. And keep your feet up. 2 brakes, one here, one on your right leg. Alright. So front brake, back brake. My suggestion, use this as a main brake and use this as a backup brake. Or for parking. So keep this one leg straight all the time. Don't worry about this one. Use this one. Alright, main brake. Alright, so we get the unit started. You want to come close, I will see how we do it. I'm going to come around. Alright. So, we get this started. Key, that's the first step. One click to the right. Screen light up, no say on. Start button. So your start button now going to be this, down this way. Then with shifter, we have 2 gears that we use for drive H and L. High gear and loser gear, but we're not going to use loser gear. High gear. Yeah, high gear. So remember, click it one time. Start button. Then we shift up to H. And we're good to go. You only use the brake department. Kill switch. So off, on. Off, on. So you know it's not start when you push it because I'm in a gear. So if you're on the trail and you accidentally push it, just put it back in a neutral or park. Simple and easy task, man. Nothing hard. Good?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. What am I telling you?
I can't manage, but go on like an assistant.
Go for a holy assistant.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's basically it for the bikes. Rules. So you know day-to-day rules and regulation for safety. Alright, so once you get going, once you start riding, we don't stand up on the unit. We don't record. Alright? So once you start riding, you know you have to go top of the phone. Because you can't just have it in there. First, like you're a rookie, you can't deal with this. See me? We have places that we go stop. The drone team there, same way, you know the punish rate. Okay. So we do some footage here. Alright, and when we stop. So, if you see anywhere you want to stop and take a picture or anything, just let me know. Alright, so we're traveling one straight line. We're not doing nothing crazy. We're not stunt, we're not put no wheels down, you see? Alright, not doing that side of them shit. Nah, man,
I can be with everybody still.
It's not photo, it's video.
Yeah, it's like I'm with everybody.
Oh. Alrighty.
let's go! Run, mister! Woo! Oh, shit! No! Let's go! Yeah, bro!
Clean.
So this is the after effect, okay? was awesome.
Weren't those white before?
Eh?
Weren't those white before?
Yeah, white, so you know, sir.
I said, all they're gonna show.
Because McCoy tipped it and we fell in the puddle.
I wish we could get the video, man. I wish we could.
The puddle was like this deep and we went splash. Only he did it as well.
I'm not gonna blame you because control flow as this man. Control flow down in front of me.
When I tell my book, I run up in a couple of minutes.
At least you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, and because he kept drifting it to splashing.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
100%, mom, you should have done it. No, that was good. Actually, you should have done it, man.
Yeah, I forgot to do it the next time.
What's your face, Ella? What's your face?
Face, yeah.
Somebody.
All over my face.
And your neck.
Yeah, fun for you, chef. Yeah, fun.
Yeah.
I want to see the footage, bro. Yeah, I didn't see it. The show. Yeah. I was looking for it. I didn't see it.
Me did it one time.
Yeah, the stop. You can set this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the stop.
I'm sure this will be useful.
Yeah, let me. You want to do it?
Yeah.
I think I'll be okay. Yeah. I'll jump on my back, you know. And jab. Jumping. I fell off right off
How is your papa bye?
We're all right.
Maka, Ella, drop in the water. Ella, what are the feathers? Full. You know, say fun. Yeah, me want to try right now.
Actually, you would have loved it, man.
Can I get it one up to the back? Yeah, and my bring the whole back. Oh, I don't really want to stop.
That's gonna stop at the beach.
That's amazing. Alright guys, so we just reached Margaritaville and we just go chill right here so until we're ready to go watch the sunset at Ritz Cafe. So we just pull up, you know, to have a good time and chill with the family and everybody. Yep. That's Ray. That's Daddy.
Daddy in the house, man, watch a match, you know? Match Daddy there watch, you know?
Yeah,
The France and Spain and my team, the leg.
that is it.
So my two things up here, Portugal and Spain.
A World Cup already?
No, this is Nation League semi-final.
Okay.
Where you from, Alice? Oh, Alice again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where you from, Alice? Alice, where you from? Nigeria. What's up, Nigeria? Welcome to Jamaica, come on. Hey.
Watch out now. Excitement. Watch out now. Oh, you missed that one there.
Alright, so each person gets a bottle of beer. Yeah, get each person a bottle of beer. Yeah, man. We are going to start off. Where should we start?
Hello?
Let me ask my friends up there in the field from Wales right here. See those gentlemen? No, sir. Never. You're in Jamaica. Step forward, sir. Step forward. We need to make sure that you drink. When you're done, you turn the empty bottle upside down above you. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Wales, he's about to set the first time to see if anybody can beat his time. He will have the competition in his hand. Let's set him free right now. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! What new granny said, what time is it? 11 seconds for Wales! Oh my gosh. Rookie, who's going next? Mr. Miami, step forward. Mr. Mr. Hennessy. On the count of 3, we set him free. You gotta beat that to 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my God, is it fast?
Close them out, Jada. Close them out, Jada. Jada's mouth just fell open like, ah. What just happened? What time is it? She can't even tell me. 5 seconds. Only grandmother on a Thursday. Jesus. Hennessy, 5 seconds. The time to beat. Oh my goodness. But you know what? We're going to tee that right now. We're going to tee that right now. On the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. What time is it? 8 seconds.
Wow.
Holy shaving cream. Ladies and gentlemen, drinking right now. She might be the beer drinking queen for today. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Now, you witnessed 5 seconds from Miami, Florida. Let me just be brave and step up. Anybody think they can be 5 seconds? You can do it, sir. Come, step forward, step forward. Miami's got the title of 5 seconds. We are taking it to Wales right now. He saw the 5 seconds. He's brave enough to say, I can do it. Step forward, sir, step forward. We got the entire broadcasting commission over that side. They're recording every single moment. On the count of 3, 5 seconds of time to beat. 1, 2, 3, go! That overspill just did it. That over 6 seconds, look at that. And you gotta let the bottle down and go again. 6 seconds. We're all the way from Miami, Florida. Give it up for all the gentlemen for participating. But the champion, all the way from Miami, Florida, he will receive a 5 o'clock somewhere tote bag valued at $40 US, sir. You know why we're giving you that, sir? Because you did 5 seconds and it's always 5 o'clock in Margaritaville. So we're matching your 5 with your 5. Give it a 4. Miami, Florida. The beer champ. 5 seconds.
Some nice drink from my lovely niece. Yeah. What's in it? It's pineapple and watermelon. I have the watermelon. Great. Yeah. Great. You only need the sun. I don't know where the sun's gone. Feel like I'm in Britain. Now going on the water.
Outside for the family excursion, you know. I'm afraid I water. But I'm not going to water neither.
You afraid I water too?
No, I'm not afraid I water. The plan from day one to me go going.
What's the first? That's the only time we go when I water.
They little ask me about they look boat right there, you know, but I tell them no. The reason why I said I don't know if nobody else wants. Me one.
Alright guys, so we go to Parasil. We are control of Parasil. We are going by this right now. I got it. Hey.
Okay, sir. So you can do your props, but you're not allowed to free willy. Yes. So you can get a hold of your luggage. Okay. So after 3, you're gonna go. All right, sir. In 1, 2, 3. Come on. Real smooth. You don't say. Hey. Number 2. We got couple number 1 right here, and we got couple number 2 right here. So we're gonna vote. Involves the audience as well, not just the competitors. So you're allowed to make some noise up in here, up in here. All right? So let me go again. May I hear you make some noise at couple number 1? Couple number 2. Come, daddy. Come. Hey. Hey, whoa, hey. Why? Watch out.
Searching for my
So we still up on the beach. Think we go get ready for go Rick's Cafe now. Even though rain did a fall and everything. So no sunset really not did it. But we are waiting for my other cousin them to come, then the Green Island, like right down the road down the side, to come. And then we're gonna get ready for go Rick's Cafe. So well, we won't forget to go Rick's Cafe because the time kinda get late still, but you know Rick's Cafe not gonna lock off yet. But yeah, that we are plan to do now. And then you know we go all our vibes down at Rick's Cafe. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned. As you could have seen, rain did a fall like the Ghana, but it come back and everything good again. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm not sure if we go after 6 now and we figure Rick's Cafe, but I'm not sure if we go, but I go. Hi guys! Say hi. Hi. Lana, say hi. Van. Vera. No, like, I'm gonna see my phone there. They call it they don't have any books, they don't have any passes. Alright guys, I think we go by the Rick's Cafe because it's time already get late and something. I eat what is pudding? I think potato pudding? A potato? One of them. But then I can't make pudding. I think a potato pudding. But yeah, it was a good day. Today I wait for everybody to come back in our bus so we can leave. But after 6 now, I think what 27, 6:42, I will not leave Margaritaville yet. So when I think we go by the Rick's Cafe because sunset already gone and everything. So it was a very good day. We really enjoy ourselves and I look forward to go at the villa tomorrow, which is Friday. You know, so stay tuned guys. Me tell you know, me update you know along the journey. Okay? Yeah.